Hi everyone, welcome to this quick demo. Today I'll be walking you through how we use AI-powered data cleaning inside EazyDI. In this example, we're using a sample financial dataset that reflects real-world data challenges commonly seen across financial services organizations. This demo will show how vibe coding, combined with ChatGPT, can automatically generate the SQL logic needed to clean and validate messy financial data, all in just a few clicks. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly understand what EazyDI is. EazyDI is an AI-powered data integration platform designed to unify, clean, and transform complex data into trusted, analytics-ready insights. It combines intelligent automation, vibe coding, and scalable ETL and ELT orchestration to help teams build and manage modern data pipelines more efficiently. With EazyDI, users can generate SQL from natural language, automate validation rules, and simplify complex data workflows, while still maintaining full transparency and control over their data pipelines. For this demo, we're using a sample financial dataset that contains common real-world data quality issues. These issues can include invalid dates, incorrect country codes, missing values, or inconsistent numeric formats, which are common challenges in financial reporting and transaction systems. The goal of this pipeline is to automatically validate the data and separate clean records from error records, ensuring higher data quality for downstream analytics and reporting. With AI, you don't have to write SQL manually. You just explain the logic in English, it generates the script, and you get faster, more accurate transformations with less effort. All right, now let's jump into the live demo. I'll walk you through the raw dataset, and then use vibe coding with ChatGPT to generate the entire SQL cleaning logic. Here is our sample financial dataset, and as you can see, it contains several real-world data quality issues. For example, row 2, company name is completely null. Row 3, country is 123, which is invalid. Row 7, company name is numeric, which isn't allowed. Row 8, investment amount contains ABC, not a number. Row 10, the investment amount is negative, which shouldn't be valid. You can also see invalid dates like the 30th of February 2022, IRR values like ABC, and some duplicate records. This is exactly the kind of messy dataset we typically receive from clients. Our goal is to clean all of this automatically, using AI-generated SQL. This is the main dashboard of EazyDI. From here, you can manage your jobs, pipelines, connections, and overall activity. For this demo, I've already created the pipeline in advance, so let's open it and walk through the complete data cleaning process. Let's open the first pipeline, the clean and error mapping, and walk through it step by step. This is the source connector for our pipeline. I'm using a Snowflake connection here, and the source query simply reads data from the raw table. This means we're pulling the full raw financial dataset exactly as it is. No cleaning is applied at this stage. We simply bring the data into the pipeline so we can validate and transform it in the next steps. Once the source is configured, I'll click Next to move to the target side, where we'll apply the cleaning logic. This is Target Connector. This Target Connector loads the raw data into our staging table, stg_pe_data. Once staged, we'll apply all cleaning rules in the transformation step. Let's go to the next screen. This step maps all source fields to the staging table. It's a simple one-to-one mapping. We'll apply the actual cleaning logic in the next step. This is where our transformation SQL will go, the logic that cleans and validates the staging data. Instead of writing it manually, we'll generate it using ChatGPT. So let's switch to ChatGPT and create the SQL script. Here in ChatGPT, I'll simply give a natural language prompt, and it will generate the full SQL logic for our pipeline. No manual scripting, just describe the rules and get the SQL. Now that ChatGPT has generated the SQL for us, I'll simply copy the SQL and paste it here in the target script box. This script will run automatically after the load, and we'll split the data into clean and error tables. Once pasted, the pipeline is ready. So let's click Next. Here you can see the complete summary of our pipeline, source setup, target table, field mappings, and the post-execution script that ChatGPT generated. Everything looks good, so now I'll just hit Submit to finalize the pipeline. Now let's run the pipeline. I'll click the Run button, and the job starts executing. Next, we move to the Monitor tab. Here you can see the job is currently in progress. Once the job finishes, it automatically moves to the Archive tab. And as you can see, the status shows success, meaning our clean and error split process worked perfectly. Before the final output, here's the error table. These rows failed our business rules: invalid dates, wrong formats, negative values, or missing fields. Vibe coding automatically caught each issue and logged the exact error reason. And here is the clean final table. Only valid, fully processed records move forward. All bad data is removed using the SQL generated through vibe coding, giving us a clean, analysis-ready dataset. One of the key advantages of EazyDI is how it simplifies complex data validation workflows. With AI-generated SQL, teams no longer need to manually script validation rules. Pipelines can be built much faster while maintaining consistent data quality standards. EazyDI also provides full transparency by separating clean records from error records, along with clear validation reasons. And because the platform combines no-code simplicity with SQL flexibility, teams get the best of both worlds when building and managing data pipelines. Thank you for watching this demo. If you'd like to explore more, collaborate, or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at sales@eazydi.com or visit eazydi.com. We'd be happy to assist you.